What's up, guys? We're back and we're at a little bit different scenery here. We are actually at my house. We successfully got my car to the house. Man, it's been a long time. It's nice to be here because I can walk out, go out to the garage, tinker around with the car, work on it, go out, take it for a ride. I mean, it's pretty nice. So one of the things we're going to be doing when we took it to the track, I lost my Fender grill. I think it flew out at 140 miles an hour or so. Which, I mean, as you'll see in this video, they're not really surprising. I think it's pretty common on a lot of these that are fast. It's not the best design. There's little clips that go in here and they break off and they fall out. So we're gonna replace them with some black ones. I don't know what water film is. It's kind of weird, but we'll see how these go. And these are just some cheap ones off Amazon. I wasn't gonna spend a whole lot of freaking money on them, but yeah, let me get these all unwrapped and we'll see how they look. Okay, they're just glossy black. They're cheap. Basically the exact same design though. I mean, it's just a little clip that clips them in there, so you can probably see why it flew off. And we'll slap these M3 stickers on and see how the black looks. I think it'll look okay, just pairing with the black wheels. The car has black kidney grills in the front too. So I don't know. I don't give a shit. It's not a show car, and I figured the black will be fine. They're a little cheaper, so we'll pop these stickers in, take the other ones off, and see how we do. All right, I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty clean. I like that. Why does this look different? I mean, obviously it probably is because they're Chinese, but oh, motherfucker, that's the one that's freaking gone. Walk all the way around the car now. Yeah, I guess they're just dirty as hell. I guess that's the main difference, but man, that shit looks clean. We'll see. And yes, I know we got boxes. We got a freaking bed we need to get out of here. Trash in the middle. I didn't have my car here for, over a year. So, shit piles up. But we're going to clean this all out. Make it all organized. Hang up some flags, some signage. I'm going to mount like a TV right there on the wall. Just kind of make it a little hangout spot. And then back here is a little room. It's AC'd. We're going to clean this out and then probably have like a toolbox in here, a little stool. I don't know, probably a motor somewhere in here. Maybe it'll be out there, I don't know. Nice little area to work on stuff with the AC. So anyway, we'll get these in there. Holy shit. Said something about me having to take the center part out to get to fit better. Like, I think put them in like two things at a time. Why does it have to be difficult? Okay, so I was pretty quick. I kind of worried myself a little bit because I was like, oh shit, how am I gonna get this frame out from the middle section? I'm cute. Now I feel like I didn't even ever have this section in there before. Hell, I don't know. I was worried I was gonna take all these things out, but that was not the case. You just pop these little tabs right here out, and then this part just slides out. So I guess now we're gonna have to try to figure out how to get this part slid into here. So looks like, I think it's gonna go in there pretty easily. So we'll check that out now. Okay. These fit like f***ing shit. These fit really, 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 really bad. difference here. Okay, so this side's going in like this. Look how far off this shit is. Like, that is definitely not gonna fit. Yeah. This ain't looking good. Not looking good. Okay, I'm a dumbass. Well, I don't know if I'm a dumbass, but I don't understand why the hell they even gave us this. I guess if you wanted to like cut.
Bad things are always happening to me. Like I have bad luck or something.
Son, you don't have bad luck. The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
Oh. That makes sense. So if you're trying to make a fake M3, they give you a template to cut out this in your Fender. Like this. And then you slide this in there. And that would then slide that in. I don't understand why the you did. Please don't do that. Just please. That's the most ricer shit I've ever seen in my life. That's probably why it says, please note, you may need to remove plastic cover trim protector to ensure fit. My mind was remove it, put this part in, and then this part in, but obviously I'm an idiot. So here we go. All right, round two. Gotta get the other one out. As I destroy, you know, a factory piece here. Oh my goodness. There. Rest in peace to the life this car once had. Yes, that is what you think it is. We're not going to talk about it. We're not going to talk about that. But that is a little dirty right there. We're going to slide these in. Oh, shit. There it goes. I like that actually a lot better. That, I think, looks much better in the black, mixed with the wheels. I like it. Broken one, I'm sure that's going to cringe everybody out. I don't give a shit. Yeah, that's money. That looks fucking clean. All right. Damn, China with the quality. Shit didn't even phase it. It's pretty clean. All right, now that we got that done, I'm gonna show you some things that we did in the car. I'm trying to clean up some of the things. The car sat for a while, so some things are old and I need to do a full detail on the car. It's, you know, dirty. The whole car needs clean. It's disgusting. But some of the things that I've been meaning to fix on the car for a while, back when I had the S54 in it, I would literally do pulls and my dash trim would fly at the passenger. All the clips were broken in it. So I pulled that out and got all new clips put in. I did rig the steering boot or the shift boot back up. I don't know. I think it looks good. rather than, we'll see how it works. I had to kind of bring it down underneath this collar, and I just threw like a little zip tie here to kind of hold it in place, because when I'd go in low gear, it'd pop out right here. So I don't know, I think it definitely looks more clean than you know, without it, but we'll see how that looks. And then you just gotta, you know, I can't do this with one freaking hand. No, that little deal's there, but yeah, so just trying to clean some stuff up in here and get it looking nice again. Like I said, the car sat for a long time. I used to daily drive it, so there wasn't all that. I mean, a lot of this, there's just stains in the carpet and stuff that I need to get cleaned up that were like that, you know, back when, the f is that? All right, someone let me know what kind of f***ing bug this is. Oh shit, it's all red on the out. Ugh. Hell no, mother.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Anyway. I don't know. I mean, just trying to get some of this stuff taken care of and make it look decent again. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I think that's gonna be the end of the video. This weekend, Saturday, I'm gonna be driving the car from where I am. I'm in the Kansas City area. I'm gonna be going to Topeka. It's like a 45-minute drive to Topeka. I'm gonna go into a car show. It's at a combat air museum, so there should be like a lot of old war military planes, a lot of I don't know about a lot of cars, but you know, decent amount of cars, and gonna be going to that, and we'll see how that goes. I have not driven the car that far yet, so all the like there's some local stations around here that sell the E85, and they are out. So I think Friday I'm gonna go try to get some jugs full of E85, fill it up, have another 5-gallon jug here. The car has a 15-gallon fuel cell, so I think I'll be okay. But I mean, it's still, I haven't driven the car about, you know, 15-20 minutes away is probably the furthest I've driven it, but I think it'll be flawless. We'll take it out there, have some fun, you know, enjoy a beautiful afternoon, and we'll see you then. Thanks, guys.